Can you zoom in or out?
No, I don't think so.
Huh?
No.
You don't know?
No.
No? Anybody want to do any narration?
I will. Well, it's very cold out. We have a blizzard, as you can see. That's snow and wind from our roof.
And trees and other people's roofs and cars.
Yeah.
And what's the good news?
The good news is that tomorrow we don't have school.
I mean, or Thursday we might. Not, or we might. It depends.
Or...
What's the date today? You always have to say the date.
It's February
2nd, 2011.
11th.
It's February 1st.
Second. Yeah, Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday.
Oh, yeah. February 1st, 2011.
No.
It's
Second.
February 2,
It's second.
2011.
First.
It's second.